Bankruptcy is not the end of your homeownership story. It is a chapter, not the final page. Here are the real waiting periods. Chapter 7. Bankruptcy. The VA loan and FHA loan both require 2 years from your discharge date. Conventional loans through Fannie Mae require 4 years. But if you can document extenuating circumstances like a medical emergency or job loss due to a major employer closing, conventional may drop to 2 years. Chapter 13. Bankruptcy is different because you are actively repaying debts. FHA and VA both allow you to apply after 12 months of on-time payments with court permission. Conventional requires 2 years from the discharge date. During your waiting period, here is what to do. Pay every bill on time. Keep your credit utilization below 30%. Do not open unnecessary new accounts. And start saving for a down payment. Many people coming out of bankruptcy are surprised to learn they qualify sooner than they expected. FHA at 2 years with a 580 credit score, VA at 2 years with 0 down. These are real paths. I work with buyers rebuilding after bankruptcy regularly at Stacey Solutions. There is no judgment here. Just a clear plan to get you into a home in Solano County when you are ready. I shop across a large network of lenders because some are more flexible than others on credit recovery scenarios. Book a free buyer consultation. The link is in the description.